Hello everyone, my name is Esosa. Today we are making delicious mouth-watering garden egg sauce. So this is the eggplant I am using for this recipe. So I'll just go ahead and transfer the eggplant into boiling water. Leave it to boil until it becomes very soft. So these are all the ingredients for this recipe: red bell peppers, onions, some crayfish, and palm oil. So this is how to peel your eggplant when it's done. Okay, I did the first one off camera, so let me show you how to do it, just in case you don't know how to do it. Dip the eggplant into a very cold water and then you start peeling already. Then transfer the eggplant into a food processor and blend. Roughly chopped. Pour some palm oil in a pot. Add some chopped onions. Add the roughly chopped pepper crayfish mix. Then add some chicken stock. Add some grinded pepper. Add the blended eggplant. That seasoning cube, give it a good stir until well combined. My eggplant sauce is ready. So you can pair eggplant sauce with boiled yam, boiled unripe plantain, ripe plantain. Okay, it tastes absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.